So have you ever wished ChatGPT could actually think like your business? Well, it actually can. Custom GPTs just got a serious upgrade, and if you're ignoring them until now, this might be your wake-up call because the game has changed. I'm Sandeep and this is Brains, Bots, and Business. It's a show where we cut through the noise, unpack what matters in AI, and show you how to lead smarter, move faster, and stay on brand with the tech that's reshaping your industry, whether you're ready for it or not. You better be ready. Let's get into it. OpenAI's Custom GPT feature has been around for a while, but a lot of people just skip over it or really have no idea how to actually use it and just use the chatbot function. But as of 2024, things got really different. An update that they made those custom GPTs easier to build, way more powerful, and genuinely useful for actual business workflows. And here's really what's changed. You don't really need to do any coding. You can just use simple Q&A wizards out there, or even just type in some instructions in plain English. No dev time. You can upload your brand documents, files, and links. This means your GPT can literally learn from your material, whether it's your sales books, your SOPs, whatever you feed it. Actions are now supported. So this lets you connect your GPTs to tools like your CRM, your calendars, your third-party apps, so they can actually do things like populate a client's company name. They've got privacy controls that have improved, so you can even make some of your GPTs public now, so you can share them with your team, your loved ones, anyone. So you can control all of the access. And you can actually build something that thinks, sounds, and acts like your company. So this isn't just a new shiny toy for your teams. This is a great brand alignment tool, or a training asset, or a productivity accelerator. Custom GPTs let you create assistants that understand your business, your values, your customers' pain points, follow your internal workflows, and return answers that actually sound like you. So instead of rewriting generic responses over and over, you're giving your team a custom engine, essentially, that's always in sync with your brand. So that's not an automation for the sake of it, it's a strategic advantage. Let's look at a couple of real-world examples, shall we? You can have a financial firm out there that's going to build a GPT trained on their compliance-approved messaging, FAQs, and onboarding documents that their reps can use daily. A software as a service company can create a GPT that helps new hires get up to speed and onboard them faster. A marketing team can upload their tone guidelines, their sample content, and brand strategy so they can generate social content that's on brand without micromanagement. And yes, even at Sandbox Media, we're doing this too. We're helping companies build custom GPTs from the ground up, starting by building their AI brand blueprint and evolving those into tools that reflect their core voice, their values, their workflows, because it isn't about being efficient, only about being efficient. It's about being consistent and excellent and scaling it. So here's a question. If AI is going to be everywhere, how are you going to make sure it sounds like you? Custom GPTs are the difference between showing up as a generic brand versus a brand that's got a purpose, that's clear and consistent everywhere your customers interact with you. And that future is not years away, it's already here. Thanks for watching Brains, Bots, and Business. If this episode gave you something to think about, share it with someone, drop a comment below, and we'll see you next episode.